We'll guide you through how to integrate Vercel AI Chat into your project seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel dashboard by logging into your account on vercel.com. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab at the top of the page. Click on the project where you want to integrate the AI chat. Next, you need to go to the Integrations section in the sidebar. From there, click on Add Integration and search for Vercel AI Chat. Click on it and you'll be guided through the setup process. You might need to authorize the integration, so follow the prompts and make sure you grant the necessary permissions to your project. Once that's done, go to your project's settings and scroll down to find the Environment Variables section. Here, you'll need to add a new variable for the AI Chat API key. Name it something like AChat key and paste in your API key. If you don't have an API key yet, you can generate one from the Vercel AI Chat dashboard. After setting up the environment variable, make sure to deploy your project again to apply the changes. Once deployed, you can start using AI Chat in your project by importing the chat component into your codebase. Just place it where you want the chat feature to appear, and you should see it live on your website. If you encounter any issues, check the logs in Vercel for any error messages. And that's it. You've integrated Vercel AI Chat into your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.